Hi everyone, this is Iuliia Dmukh. We were invited to a wedding, so Jesper and I decided to give an original bouquet of banknotes. I recorded a video of the process of creating a money bouquet, and I'm glad to share with you, my dear subscribers. Will be a bouquet of butterflies. To make one butterfly, we will need two banknotes of the same denomination. For the upper part of the wings, you need to fold the banknote in half diagonally and then fold this as I show on this video. Look. Then you should fold this and set aside for now, like this. Yeah, this is first part of our butterfly. Fold the second banknote in a half and just wrap the folds in turn and also folding in half after that. So like this, step by step, the same distance. Actually, it's easy and very careful style to make a bouquet of banknotes because we don't destroy any banknotes. So like this. For the base, I took a thin wire about 60 centimeters long and two small beads. And then I folded it in half and then bent again in both sides from the middle to make a butterfly antenna. I strung the beads and twisted the wire like this. Look, it's easy. Then after this, so I make another antenna. Yes. And then I fixed both parts of the wings in my hand when antenna was ready, like this. And I fix it in my hand and wrap it the wire twice so that the antenna were exactly in the center, like this. After that, I simply twisted the wire, look, like this. And I just fixed wings, made them beautiful. So this butterfly we have. When I created 20 such butterflies, I collected them into a bucket, adding two metal wire hearts inside. Look, can you see this? One heart and another heart. Yes. And my idea was to create a unique gift that was at the same time useful and easy to use. So this is the final version. Subscribe on my channel.